Hello everyone, Mike here, and we have the new 16-inch MacBook Pro just delivered. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. So I just open it up, it starts right up. All right, so I have the MacBook Pro finally set up. One of the first things I do is go down to the dock and get rid of all the stuff that they put there automatically. And I go into dock preferences, right click that, and then I always go with scale effect because I feel like I don't have the patience to watch it close. I want to close fast. I'm a very impatient person. So that's that. So it's set up. I am using the microphone that comes with the Mac. I tested out the speakers. Definitely an upgrade from my previous MacBook. And now the next step is to download Chrome because Safari sucks. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, so I'm gonna do a couple speed tests right off the bat. I do have a few programs open, Chrome, so it's not like nothing is going on. But if I go in here, do this, Black Magic. I mean, my 2012 MacBook was like around here, and I did upgrade the RAM and I upgraded to an SSD, and it still would hover around here. So obviously, this is pretty impressive right off the bat. So, and then also, if I do an internet speed test, so wow, that's pretty crazy. Over 200. With my other MacBook, I was around here, right? So this is pretty wild. So this is some great speeds right off the bat. The screen really is big, and I mean, when you go from a 13-inch to the 16, like this is definitely more than enough screen. And then with the slimmer bezels, it's even better. So definitely impressed. All right, so my final thoughts on the 16-inch MacBook Pro, just my initial impressions. So obviously the speakers are better, the microphone's better. It is a 16-inch compared to the 15-inch. It's the same processor, different keyboard. So the keyboard should have a lot less problems than it had with the previous generations. They ditched the butterfly and went with the scissor. So overall, I like the fact that they made all these upgrades and they made the screen bigger without raising the price. I mean, $2,400 is still expensive, but I actually got it at Best Buy, and it was $100 off of me, so I have to pay for tax, but it was $100 off, so it was technically $2,300. I mean, it's still a lot of money, but the fact that Apple made all these adjustments and upgrades and didn't charge people more money for the base model, which is what I got the base model, and that I do like. So they're trending in the right direction. They're listening to their customers, and I've had a really good experience with Apple products lasting a long time. So you spend a little bit more money, but opposed to a PC, this thing should still work 10 years from now. So I don't like that you can't upgrade it. They soldered the stuff in. You can't upgrade it yourself, that is. You have to do it when you initially buy it, which is what led me to consider the iMac. But overall, I like just the portability of a MacBook Pro, and this thing is pretty powerful. So it's a great looking computer, and if you have a lot of Apple products, they just sync so well with each other, so it's tough to leave Apple. But beautiful screen, and just overall a good computer. So thanks, Apple. Hopefully this thing will last for a long time, but with Apple products, usually they do last a long time. So